Good morning, class 12. Let's start. Methods of preparation of the alkyl halides. First, from alkanes by free radical halogenation. When alkanes are treated with chlorine or bromine, a mixture of mono and poly substituted product is obtained. For example, CH4, Cl2, in presence of sunlight or UV radiation, we get CH3Cl. Further chlorination, we get CH2, Cl2. Further chlorination, and obviously UV is there, CHCl3. Further chlorination, CCl4. So this process continues till all the hydrogen atoms get substituted by the halogen atom. Okay, the halogens which are used are chlorine or bromine. Okay, now in order to obtain monohalogen derivative as the major product, means suppose in this particular reaction I want CH3Cl to be the major product, in that case I have to use excess of the alkane. Then only this can be obtained as the major product. Okay. In case of higher alkanes, even monohalogenation gives a mixture of all the possible isomeric haloalkanes due to replacement of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree hydrogen atoms. For example, propane on halogenation, Cl2, sunlight or UV light if I write the following products, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl plus this one. Okay, so this is my major product and this is the minor product. 2-chloropropane is the major and this one, 1-chloropropane is the minor product. Now this 2-chloropropane is formed by replacement of 1 degree hydrogen atom by the chlorine atom, and this 1-chloropropane is formed by replacement of 1 degree hydrogen atom. Okay, and this 2-chloropropane is formed by replacement of this 2 degree hydrogen atom. Okay, and since this reaction proceeds via free radical mechanism, we know the stability of the radicals, and the stability order 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Okay, that's why this one is a major product, because here 2 degree hydrogen atom is replaced by the halogen atom, right? Next, when formation of isomeric product is not possible, if I take an example of an alkane, I'll be getting only one product. This particular compound, if I treat this with Cl2 UV, then I'll be getting only one product. This one. Okay, and plus HCl. HCl is a side product. In the previous reactions I have not shown it, it's a side product. Okay, so this is my neopentyl chloride, right? When mixture of haloalkanes can be separated easily, like when methane undergoes chlorination, then what are the halides that I get? I get CH3Cl, I get CH2Cl2, CHCl3, CCl4, the final product. This mixture can be separated due to difference in their boiling points. Okay. Next, when difference in reactivity of the hydrogen attached to different type of carbons is large, so that only one product is formed under suitable conditions. Now, if I give the order of stability of the free radicals, then it is benzylic, allylic, almost same stability, greater than 3 degree radical, 2 degree, 1 degree. Then I have vinylic, and then aryl radical. Okay. Now, in this particular halogenation reaction, the order of reactivity of the halogens is fluorine greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. The reaction with iodine is reversible. To shift the equilibrium towards the product side, it is always carried out in presence of an oxidizing agent such as iodic acid, that is HiO3, or nitric acid, which oxidizes the hydrogen iodide formed into iodine. So the reaction is no longer reversible. So if we want to carry out iodination, we have to use this oxidizing agents, either of the two. Next, direct fluorination of alkanes is not possible because the reaction will be highly explosive. So alkyl fluorides we can prepare by some other methods. That reaction is known as Swartz reaction. If I take an alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide and I treat it with some inorganic fluorides, then I'll be getting alkyl fluoride. Okay. Next is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction is to prepare iodines. To prepare alkyl iodides. So if I take CH3, CH2Br, then I'm taking sodium iodide, heat and acetone. I'll be getting CH3CH2I plus NaBr. Right, so this one is my Swartz reaction, and this one, the next one, is my Finkelstein reaction. Now both falls under the halide exchange method. Right, so that's it, class 12. Thank you.